What's going on, YouTubers? Going on, Gunners, subscribers all around the world? Big upgrades today. We have to do some maintenance on Oren. Swapping rim color. Let you guys guess what color you think I'm going with. And yeah, I'm gonna swap out the suspension, do new wheel bearings on it, get some sway bar links, etc., etc. I'll probably, in this video right here, will be basically the checklist for going to the dyno. I know it's a big issue out there in the racing world. What do I do to get ready? What do I do to be prepared for the dyno? So I'll probably put the camera on the tripod and get it going with that. So yeah, I'll show you some stuff real quick and let's enjoy the video. Keep gunning. So what we have here is some TNs. I'm swapping out these K-Sports. All four are blown, guys. These things suck. And there is no way that I was going to raffle off a car like this. So I'm going to swap these out for the TNs, get this ride to be comfortable. And that's it. I got all four rims off. I am going to powder coat them a special color. I won't tell you guys the color. You can try to guess. Let's have some fun with it. But I have something special in mind. I've got 3 valve covers that are getting picked up. Might as well just powder coat them while they're out. My boy Powder Coat Nation 914, he's a real official dude. Quick turnaround time, and he's always there for me. Here goes the AK-47. Had to swap out the windows because of some protesting on the carbon. But we're all set. We're getting ready for H-Day. The car is 110%. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm super excited to meet a lot more new gunners at H-Day, and it's going to be a spectacular event. So I'm going to get inside here and I'm going to get to work. My boy Bing is here, taking up the wheels right now. My boy Chris here too. These guys kick ass, man. Turnaround time is ridiculous. They're going to take all 4 rims on Oren. They're going to do a special color on it. And these 3 spare valve covers, we're just going to have him do up some awesome stuff. So you guys are looking for a good powder coater in the New York area, Powder Coat Nation 914. I'll put his Instagram page in the description. Maybe you guys can reach out to him. But quick turnaround time. Thank you, Bing. I appreciate you. Yeah, right now I got the back pretty much done here. Open up the trunk, lift up that panel, drop the 214s on the front. I noticed that this axle boot ripped also. So I've got a bunch of Type S axles here. Hey guys, when it comes to K-Series, man, don't cheap out on hold on, let me shut this music off. So guys, when it comes to buying OEM axles, don't be hesitant to own 3-4 pairs, man. These things are great and they last forever. You might have a problem with a boot here and there, but I've seen these axles hold up to about 1,000 horsepower. With 36mm hubs, they'll do it. So cleaning up this area now, gonna drop the front struts and get the TNs on. Alright, we're all swapped out already. So these were the old ones, K-Sports. And I tell you, when they were bad, they were bad. And these are the new TN ones. So I kind of want to discuss something with you guys about these coilovers, right? So I'm going to turn around real quick and just look at you for a second. Let me sit down. I hate to preach right now, but this is very important. In life, you have to have morals. I could have easily not said nothing about the suspension, and someone would have hurt themselves. So I went out and I put another $450 into this car. Morally, when I go home to sleep, I know I did the right thing. We don't know who's going to end up with this car. So why risk their life for $450? I never like to take shortcuts. So some of the people that do raffles, they really don't care what's inside the car. They're just worried about the ticket sale and how fast they can sell out and they can hurry up and buy another raffle car. This car has so much detail into it, so much money invested into it, that why short out $450? You get what I'm trying to tell you here? So morally, like I said, I'm doing the right thing. So we're going to put the TM Basics on. The ride's going to be completely different. It's going to be much more comfortable. And we're not risking losing someone's life. This thing comes around the turn 70, 80 miles an hour, and one of those blown struts sinks. $450 could have prevented that. All right, boys and girls, the suspension is on. We put a fresh axle in there. I might swap this axle out to a 06 to 11 SI because I think this is stretching too much. So I might just go get a 06. I might have one upstairs, a 06 to 11 SI. But I really don't like the way that axle's feeling. But the suspension is on. We're all set there. Sorry about the wind. We're all set back here. Unfortunately, we don't know how it's going to look because we have no wheels. So, yeah, I don't know. Quick oil change. I always like to run an oil change after the dyno session just to make sure that everything is kosher, everything is good money. Oil held up real good too. I always suggest do an oil change after the dyno. Put some fresh oil in there, and that's it. So what am I using for oil? Real simple. Castrol GTX. This oil works great. It holds up on the fuel. It does a great job, staying together. Like the high zinc in it is pretty good. You don't have to complicate oil, gentlemen. Just keep it fresh. Don't run your oil to 3,000 miles. Do an oil change every 1,500. Half of that. Sounds expensive, but so is your motor. $30 can save you and protect you a long ways. 5.5 quarts. 5 in. There goes the half. Typical case take 5.5. Fresh oil change. Can see through here with the light. A little bit more. Go ahead, Trap. You good? You good? Putting a fresh coupler on. 3.5 to 4 inch. We've got We've got a 4-inch T-bolt clamp, 3.5-inch T-bolt clamp. We had to use like a paper bag to hold up the intake yesterday, but no more. No more. She's all buttoned up. We got our pipe on pause, coupler on pause, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to pause. You pause at your own risk over here. But we're done. I've got some instrument panel issues. I want to know why that cluster's not lighting up. We're going to check the brake lights, signal lights, reverse lights, make sure everything is 100, me and Trappy Buckets. And I won't bore you with those details. So we are going to give this car away after H-Day. And what that consists of is a raffle box. So the box will contain 3 items. It'll be a dad hat, a lanyard, and a slap sticker. I can show you the lanyard and slap sticker now. The dad hats are completed today, but I didn't have time to go pick them up. So this is the slap sticker. Awesome. Awesome quality. Nice and crisp, clear, 4x4. And then this is the keep gunning lanyard. So it says O-Ren on it. It has the flag. I'm not sure if I'm doing a good job. There it is. That detaches from there. That detaches from there. So inside the box will be a dad hat, those two items, and a raffle ticket. You will purchase a box. You want to buy 3 boxes, you want to buy 10 boxes. There is a limit. I'm not telling you the limit because everybody likes to count my money. And I'm tired of it because nobody counts my bills. So, first come, first serve when we announce the raffle is going on. And yeah, that's it. You go on keepgunning.com. There'll be a section where you can buy the raffle or Ren box. And we go from there. Like I said, this car is at, let's call it 98%. The other 2% are small details that we'll deal with. I'd like to swap over that axle. Make that a 06 to 11 SI. It's a bit longer. I'd also like to see what's going on with the instrument panel lights, why the cluster's not working, why all that. We're going to get to it. And like I said, small details. Tuesday it gets polished. So it's going to get, sanded. Whatever this guy does, my boy Sugar, he's the man. Pause. But like, as always, man, I appreciate you guys for joining me. I appreciate all your continuous support, Gunners. I love you so much. You guys mean the world to me. And I don't know what more I can do to prove it. But like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning.